I decided to start the bike, run the bike, and see if I could get it tuned. And the left side carb just doesn't want to cooperate, so I suspected a plugged pilot circuit, idle circuit. And I pulled the carburetor apart, and this is what I found in the float ball. And if that's not bad enough, that was in the filter. And this was in the bottom of the cap. The float ball cap. The mixture screw was frozen in place. I had to heat the carburetor and squirt it with some penetrating oil in order to get the pilot screw out of it. In the end, I was successful. Thankfully, I have spares. Years of sitting. So I'm going to do a thorough cleaning on this and then reinstall it and see if I can get the bike running on both cylinders and get it into at least an initial state of tune. This is the mixture screw I pulled out of it. It was totally frozen up in there. That O-ring is shot, just crumbling apart. if this accelerator pump diaphragm is good or not, but I'm going to assume it is and try to get it out of there without ripping it. Well, I don't see any obvious tears in it. That sets the spring tension on the accelerator pump. It's supposed to deliver 0.4 cc's, injects 0.4 cc's of fuel into the throat when you open the throttle up. And the mechanism that does that pushes against the back of this, is actually part of the throttle slide. So as the throttle slide lifts, there's a little arm on the slide. It's an articulating arm that actuates this diaphragm, which acts as a little pump, and then it pumps 0.4 cc's of oil into the throat of the carburetor to give you a little better acceleration. Well, that's completely stripped, so off it goes to the soaking tank, and I'll make sure all the passages are clear.